Your students will be doing most of the work on here. Let me just introduce you to this progress column. Don't touch this percentage. Don't touch the milestone counter. Your students are going to type in the class name here, and your students are going to type their name here. At the end of the semester, if you want to include it, you can have them type who they collaborated with over the course of the semester, who they gave feedback to, and who they gave hands-off help to. That's a concept I use in my class, where if one student is helping another student, I don't let the student who's helping touch the mouse or the keyboard or put their hands on the project, because that doesn't help people. Students tend to do things for each other instead of just teaching them how to do it. So I call it hands-off help, and they need to document people who they've given hands-off help to. If you don't want any of these features in your class, just delete them. The easiest way to delete these things is take a cell that's empty, like this cell right here, and make a copy of it. In my case, I'm going to do Command C because that's the keyboard shortcut for copy. And then I'm just going to click and drag across all the cells that I don't want in my project manager, and then paste. And if you just copy and paste those in there, then your students won't have those things. Notice that there's frozen cells, frozen rows, and frozen columns in this project manager. If I scroll down, then these 3 rows up here stay. And if I scroll to the right, then this column right here stays. So that's so students can always see their percentage and milestones and what class they're in and things like that, and what unit they're working on if they scroll down. So you just copy and paste to delete anything in this progress cell that you don't want, and that's it for this lesson.